everyone, welcome back to Finance Ladder. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency and how it works. From the basics to the technical details, we'll cover it all. So, let's dive in. What is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? Simply put, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or institution. Blockchain technology. Now, let's talk about blockchain technology. Blockchain is a public, decentralized ledger that records all transactions. It's a chain of blocks, each of which contains a list of transactions. Cryptocurrency mining. How are new cryptocurrencies created? The answer is through a process called mining. Mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, which helps to secure the blockchain and verify transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions. Now, let's talk about how cryptocurrency transactions work. When you want to send cryptocurrency to someone, you create a transaction and broadcast it to the network. The transaction is then verified by nodes on the network, and once it's confirmed, it's added to the blockchain. Cryptocurrency security. So, how secure is cryptocurrency? The answer is very secure. Cryptocurrencies use advanced cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Additionally, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency makes it resistant to censorship and tampering. That's it for today's video on how cryptocurrency works. We hope you now have a better understanding of the basics of cryptocurrency and how it works. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on cryptocurrency and other tech topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.